Let me teach you how to make a simple baguette. So next weekend, you can have hot, fresh bread straight out of the oven. A little butter, a little cheese, maybe with some tinned fish. Let me show you how to do it. You need 900 grams of all-purpose flour, 100 grams of whole wheat flour, 750 grams of water, 8 grams of dry active yeast, and 20 grams of kosher salt. Okay, next up, mix all the dry ingredients together. Give it a little stir with a whisk, add in your water, and then using either a dough scraper or just your hand, mix all that up and let it rest for 30 minutes. Using a wet hand, you're going to do a series of stretch and folds. Just grab a corner and fold it over. Let it rest another 20 minutes and do it again 3 times. Wrap the thing up, stick it in your fridge. You're going to leave it there for 24 hours. Next day, you knock it out onto a clean work surface and using a bench knife or something else, cut it into 8 separate pieces. And you just do a little bit of basic shaping. Just fold it over like this. Make sure you roll the edges and then place it on some parchment paper. Cover that with a cloth for 20 minutes. And you're going to take this off and just using a knife or one of these little guys, just score the top of it however you want. Slide that onto a pizza peel and then into an oven, preheated at 485 for 18 minutes. Add some steam if you want, you don't have to. As soon as they're golden brown, get them out of there, get them on a wire rack, leave them for about 10 minutes and then dig in, man. A little butter, put some octopus with paprika sauce today, which was fantastic. That's it. Comment below if you need help with any of this. That is outrageously good.